In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter on your Subaru Outback. This is going to be located behind the glove box on the passenger side. Let's get started. Open the glove box. On this bottom right side, we're going to pop this pole off of the clip. With our hands, we're going to go on the inside. We're going to pinch these two pieces together. As we pinch them together, we're going to pull it down. We're squeezing these tabs around the inside. You can either remove the box by pulling straight down and pulling it off the hinges, or you can just lean it on your feet while you change the filter. Pinch the 4 clips and pull the door off. Remove the old filter. While you're doing this, try not to let any debris fall into the blower motor. I had a piece or two fall in, so we'll use a vacuum and suck it out, or you can reach in and grab the pieces. Install the new cabin air filter. Install the door. Install the glove box hinges on either side. Pull straight up. When we pull up, you'll hear 2 clicks. Install the pole onto the right side. Close the glove box, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.